Hello people, Mike here at ProCycle. We're going to do a little bit of carb cleaning. This carb may look new, but it is definitely dirty inside by the way it's running on the good old XR. It's a TM40, but most BSTs and everything that you guys are going to deal with are all pretty much the same. We're just going to go through a quick rundown of cleaning a carb, what to look for, what to clean, what not to clean, and anything else that you might need to look forward to. So with that, let's get it cracking. First of all, what we're going to do is we're just going to start off with taking off float ball easy. JIS screwdrivers are good. Alrighty, we got the carb bowl off, and you can see that main jet emulsion tube looks pretty gross inside right there. And then inside the float bowl, we've got a little bit of greenness in there. I don't know if the camera can pick it up with the lighting. And just some junk left over from the winter, just sitting. We did drain the carb before we did park it for the winter. But even doing that, you can still see what happens to the inside of a carb. All right, everybody, we've got our parts, little pan of hard parts here that we've went ahead and let it soak in some Pine Sol overnight, just to get everything kind of unstuck. The piston for the accelerator pump was actually frozen in there, so I had to use a little bit of compressed air just to pop it out. But everything's happy and clean now. One little trick that we always suggest doing is you've got your can of carb cleaner with your long red straw. It's always a good idea. Do this in a well-ventilated area, but we're going to go ahead and make sure that everything is clean on the inside, and then also on the carburetor. You've got different passages for the jets and whatnot, so you're going to want to make sure that you get that straw all the way in there and give her a hose out, because it will come out in different sections of the throttle body, and then that way you know that nothing's stuck inside there. Just a little tip, make sure everything's happy and clean. Go ahead and give everything a good squirt out in there with your carb cleaner, get everything happy and unstuck. You can use a small piece of piano wire or something if you want down the road to make sure that nothing is clogged inside here. This is one of the big concerns when people have starting issues or just running bad on start, is because they'll take the pilot out, but then there'll be stuff behind there in the passageways that keeps it clogged up. So just one little extra tip to kind of check out there. And yeah, we'll throw her back together, fire her up. All right, everybody, we've got her all put back together. No spare parts left on the tray and the workbench, so we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up hooking the vacuum lines on, go ahead and install it. Main thing is what we want to remember when we take the carb apart, keep everything together. All rubber parts go separately so it doesn't get damaged. We want to make sure that we clean thoroughly out all the jets, orifices, and any channels inside. You can soak it. We've had luck with Pine Sol soaking. You can get a small parts cleaner, say from Harbor Freight, and do that, do ultrasonic. Main thing is, though, is get in between in these little channels in here, because they all lead into the throttle body. That's where 90% of what we find gets stuck and where any of the problems will be. You might clean the pilot, but if it's behind it, clean pilot's not going to do anything good. Don't forget, if you like this, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.